Hello. It's no secret that the Amazon Marketplace algorithms work based on clicks on your product. Each product is a unique link. The more clicks your link gets, the more intensively Amazon's bots promote your item in the search results. There is a free and effective method. The website links-links.com allows you to post your links on its platform completely free of charge. These links are clicked by other users just like you, thereby significantly boosting your search ranking. Here's how it works. After registering on the site, click button 1, located under the advertisement banner. You will be redirected to a link posted by another user before you. Return to links-links.com. Button 2 will now be unlocked. Repeat the action. Button 3 will become available. Click on the third button. Return to the main page. You will now see the option to post your own link. Paste your link into the field that appears and click Add. That's it. Your link is now posted, and other users of the site will click on it, promoting your resource in the search engine rankings. Repeat this process several times, and the results will follow quickly. Your product will climb to the top positions. This method is known to very few, and now it's available to you.